Our message today is to teach you how to install your car seat tightly with the UAS, the strap that came with your car seat. So we want to attach the UAS into the anchor and make sure it clicks. And then we want to attach it into the other side of the anchor here onto your car. And then we want to pull the seat cover back, and we can pull it through this hoop here, push down on where the child's bottom will be, and pull tightly. Less than 1 inch of movement. It can move anywhere over here, it's okay, that's fine. And then we want to make sure we have the right recline position here for the rear facer. The way to install your car seat would be with a seat belt, and we are going to insert the seat belt into the correct belt path. And we're going to buckle it up. This one I always have a hard time with. Oh, that was easy this time. Okay, so we're going to pull it all the way, and then we're going to pull this to make sure it locks, and you'll hear a clicking sound. And if it doesn't click, then you're going to want to make sure to check your vehicle manual, because it's supposed to lock in some way. So we're going to push down on the bum here, and we're going to pull really tight. And we're going to want to make sure there's no movement there, and we want this tight, secure, and locked. And we will talk about the top tether in the next video.